kotse ba? Feel kotse na. Sedans still rule the Philippines and for a long time. Maliit pa lang ang Corolla at Civic, sikat na mga ito. Pero later on, naglakihan din sila at nagmahal kaya nagkaroon ng smaller sedans like the Toyota Vios and Honda City. Pero kung gusto mo ay low riding, comfortable, 4-door sedan, ano nga ba mga options mo ngayong 2025? Yan ang alamin natin in this top list of compact sedans in the Philippines for 2025. Siyempre, huwag na magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, go to our website, like our page at ipagkalat kami sa mga GC ninyo. Simulan natin sa dahilan ng video na ito. The new Toyota Corolla Altis GRS HEV now has a slimmer grille and new fog light housing. Sa likod may clear taillights din ito. Pagdating naman sa loob, it has a new 12.3-inch touchscreen and new leather and suede upholstery rin. Take note, these changes only apply for the hybrid model, so yung non-hybrids will look like the previous model. Another long-living nameplate in the sedan market of the Philippines is the Honda Civic. Hindi na ito mukhang kanin and more executive na ang atake. Stock na dito ang turbo sa 1.5-liter engine nito. Pero, mas lumakas pa ang output nung dumating ang hybrid version late last year. Siyempre pa, may video na kami niyan nung dinala ni Boss Jacob sa Baguio. Apart from legitimizing Chinese brands in the country, Geely set another trend with the M Grand sedan. Size nito parang Civic pero ang price, Vios range lang. Later on, it would be repeated by other Chinese brands na nasa listahan din na ito. Yun nga lang, wala itong Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Due to inflation, weak dollar at kung ano-ano pa, nagmahal na masyado ang Honda Civic. Kaya naman nagkaroon ng space for a more affordable pero formidable sports sedan tulad ng GAC M-POW. Maangas nito lalo na sa fighter jet green color niya at mas sporty kesa sa Civic. It has a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine pero naka-dual clutch automatic ito. Mas mabilis ang response at mas exciting i-drive. Ang Volkswagen naman, matagal nang ino-offer sa Pinas ang twin compact sedan sila na Lavida and Lamando. Magkalapit ang size ng dalawang ito pero magkaiba ang price point and set of features. Another sporty offering is the MG GT. Available ito in 2 flavors. Ang una ay may naturally aspirated engine with CVT. Tapos yung second naman ay may turbocharged engine with a 7-speed dual clutch. Siyempre, mas okay yung naka-dual clutch. Apart from that, very distinct ang design nito kaya alam ng tropa mo pag ikaw na ang dumarating sa gate nila. Bordering on the premium segment is the Mazda 3 sedan. Medyo matagal na rin ito sa Pilipinas and it has been consistent on one thing, walang compromise. Kaya wala silang pake kung magmahal sila kasi ang target nila ay driving enthusiasts na ma-appreciate ang gawa nila. And that's what the Mazda 3 is. Hindi lang siya about speed but overall driving pleasure. Tulad ng Geely, the BYD Seal 5 DMI is sized like a Civic pero priced like a Vios. Ang pinagkaiba this time is hybrid itong Seal 5 and mas loaded ng tech amenities compared sa Geely M Grand. Kaya naman very enticing offer talaga ito lalo na dun sa mga nasa 1 million peso price range ang budget. Let's end the video with 2 hot EVs. Una, ang BYD Seal, which is the high-performance flagship sedan of BYD in the country. May isa pa silang EV sedan na mas mahal pero it's more of an executive appeal. Itong Seal, pangratratan without any emissions. Last but not least is the most popular pero newcomer sa Pilipinas, the Tesla Model 3. Ito ang pinaka-futuristic sedan in the Philippines kasi pag nakita nyo loob nito, sobrang iba. Wala na yung mga stock sa steering column, walang instrument cluster, and walang button sa dashboard aside from the bare essential. Talagang maninibago ka rito pero it's a welcome change given na next generation car na ito. And that's it for the top list of all the compact cars in the Philippines for 2025. Siyempre, may iba pang compact cars na wala sa listahan. Isa lang naman ang dahilan pricing. Premium na sila So hanggang dito lang muna tayo. I'm your host, Stanley Chi, ang inyong senpai ng turbuhan na nagsasabing, kainin mo na bago pa kainin ng iba. Or, basta mabango, kainin mo. Kita kita sa next video, dito lang, sa Philcoche. Bye-bye! Thanks for watching! For the latest news, reviews, and anything you want to know about cars and car ownership, visit philcoche.com. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Spotify para hindi ka huli sa usapan. Tandaan, kotse ba? Philcoche na!